In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your project, invite collaborators, and send a dev mode link. Let's start right where you'll find everything you need, the share button in the upper right corner of your screen. This is your hub for giving people access and getting a link you can send out. Go ahead and click share. A panel will open with options to either grab a link or invite specific people directly. If you want to quickly give someone access, you can copy the link from this panel. This is great when you already have a communication channel open and just need to paste it in. Before you share that link, look for the permission control in the same panel. You can choose whether people have view access or edit access. View is ideal when you want them to look, comment, or review without changing anything. Edit is best for trusted collaborators who need to make updates. Take a second to pick the right level here so the link behaves exactly as you intend. If you prefer inviting someone directly, type their email address into the invite field. This is handy for keeping access precise and ensuring the right person gets in. Again, choose whether they should have view or edit permissions. If you're not sure, start with view. You can always adjust later if they need more control. Once you've set the permission, click invite. They'll receive an email letting them know they've been added and they can jump in right away. There's also a specialized option that's especially helpful for handoffs. The copy dev mode link. Think of this as a streamlined link made for technical stakeholders who need a clear implementation-ready view. When you copy the dev mode link, you're giving your developers or technical partners a focused experience that helps them find the information they care about faster. Click to copy that dev mode link and then send it to your client or development team through your usual channel. To recap the flow in a smooth, practical way, click share in the upper right to open your sharing options. Copy the link if you need something quick. If you want to invite someone directly, type their email, choose view or edit, and click invite. And when you're working with developers or clients who need a clean implementation-focused view, copy the dev mode link and send it their way. With these options, you can control access confidently, collaborate efficiently, and make sure everyone gets